Hello everyone, we're going to be doing homework number 7-24. Find the margin of error for the given confidence level and the values of x and n when x is equal to 111 and the sample size is equal to 194 and we have the given confidence level of 99%. So as it says right here, we're trying to find the margin of error. So it's very different from the one we used early on in the homework. So we're going to be using this formula. We're going to be using the margin of error is equal to z alpha over 2 times the square root of p times q divided by n. So let's write down what we know. What we know right now is that x is equal to 111, n is equal to 194. We have the given confidence level of 99%. What we don't know is z alpha over 2, p, and q. But that's alright, because we can figure them out using these numbers over here on the left. So let's get to it. So let's find z alpha over 2. Now to find z alpha over 2, we're going to be doing it a little bit differently. We're going to use the confidence level. Now the confidence level that I was given is 99%. So we're going to go over here to the t-table. And we're going to look over here to our confidence level at 99%. We're going to go up just a little bit. It's going to be our z, which is going to be 2.576. Therefore, z alpha is equal to 2.576. Next up, we're going to find p. Now to find p, we're going to be using this formula. X divided by the sample size equals p. And what we know is that x is equal to 111 and equals to 194. So we're just going to plug these guys in over here. That's going to look like this. 111 divided by 194 equals p. Now with that done, we're going to get p equals 0.572164948. With that number, we're going to move on to finding q. Alright, let's find q. Now to find q, we're going to use this formula. Q is equal to 1 minus p. As we know that p is equal to this very long number, so we're going to plug this very long number in for p. And it's going to look something like this. Q equals 1 minus this very long number. And then if we do that, it's going to be q equals 0.427835052. Alright, now we're going to put all these all together. So let's write down everything we know. We know that the formula we're going to use is margin error equals z alpha over 2 times the square root of p times q divided by n. We know that z alpha over 2 is equal to 2.576. P is this very long number. Q is this very long number. N, the sample size, is equal to 194. We get x and we get CL, but we don't need those right now, as these are the only ones that are going to be used in the formula. So what it's going to look like over here is like this. ME is equal to 2.576, or z alpha over 2, times the square root of P and Q, 0.572, with some dots representing the numbers, as shown, divided by the sample size, 194. So with this part all done in one fell swoop, it's going to give us this number. ME equal to 2.576 times 0.035522042. Now with this, we're going to multiply them together. When we do so, we're going to get margin of error is equal to 0.0915048. Now that's pretty good. Now we're going to go over here in the homework, and as you can see, they give us a whole number and 3 decimal points. So we're going to do the same thing to our answer. So if we do that, that's going to be ME, or margin of error, is equal to 0.092. So that's not exactly the pinpoint answer, but we can get as close as possible to B, which is going to be 0.093, which is our answer.